So, what exactly is adaptive battery, and how do you use it on your Pixel phone? Well, first of all, this is usually enabled by default, but you can double-check it in the battery settings under Battery Saver. Adaptive battery is an AI-driven feature on Pixel phones that manages how much power apps use in the background. Instead of letting every app run at full capacity, it learns your usage patterns and sort of shuts down apps that you rarely use, while keeping your favorites ready to go. So, how does that work? You could think of it like a smart power grid for your phone. If the system knows you check Instagram every morning at 8 a.m., but never touch your banking app until payday, it will allow Instagram to refresh data in the background just before you wake up. The banking app, on the other hand, it knows that you won't be using it for a while, so it'll freeze the banking app's background activity so it doesn't drain your battery throughout the week. Over time, this significantly extends your daily battery life because the processor isn't wasting energy on apps you aren't actually using. One sort of similar feature that's also available in the battery menu is the adaptive charging. Very different, but equally important feature. Lithium-ion batteries will degrade faster if they're kept at a full 100% charge for extended periods. And what adaptive charging does is learn your charging behavior, and based on that, it'll quickly charge your phone to 80%, and then slowly trickle charge the final 20% to finish just before you typically unplug your phone. This prevents the battery from sitting at 100%, which causes heat and wear, for several hours, and helps expand your battery's lifespan. There's also an option to simply limit the charge to 80%, so that's another option. And there you have it. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.